One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch, and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
For most people, a bumpy, muddy, rocky road would be a driving nightmare. But for some, the rougher the road, the better. In fact, for a group of adventurers known as off-roaders, no road is best of all. To tackle such situation, off-road vehicle is considered, which is capable of driving on and off the gravel surfaces.
Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Drive. In today's video, I will be talking about the Jeep Wrangler, which was recently launched in India. Also, I am delighted to tell you that this beast will be locally assembled in India under Go Local strategy. However, this vehicle will be exactly same as the overseas model.
However, the new Wrangler is rugged, stylish, equipped, steady, and full of adventure. It gets the Jeep iconic 7-slot grille in same body color. The headlamps are round with LED projector, which is standard across all variants. Along with this, you get the fog lamp on the front bumper and fender lights as well, which are daytime running lights on the trapezoidal wheel flares. Taillights are also LED, which look premium and has modern equipped performance. Jeep Wrangler offers easy to fold windshield so as to experience air freedom, for which this vehicle is known. Not only this, it is equipped with hardtop roof, which can be folded, and the side doors can be put on and off to experience the air freedom. Tire size for Wrangler Unlimited is 18 inches, while you get 17-inch tire for the Wrangler Rubicon with deep grooves and large tread for all-terrain modes. Now let's have a closer look of the interior. The interior looks very much airy, however the cockpit is full of technology and dashboard is finished with soft touch material. 7-inch instrument cluster is fully digital and the MID shows information related to engine temperature, fuel meter, odometer, speedometer, gear number indication, tire pressure, and is also integrated with navigation. Now coming to the infotainment system, which is a 4th generation 8.4-inch Uconnect system that includes pinch to zoom display with improved performance and faster startup time. Not only this, the touchscreen response is more quicker than its previous and has a vivid clarity with improved resolution and brightness. In terms of smart connectivity, it gets the Android Auto as well as the Apple CarPlay. Also, it gets dual zone automatic temperature control, engine push start button, power adjustable mirrors, and lot more. A new seat design offers more comfort and maximum sport, while the driver's seat gets a two-way lumbar adjustment with height adjust feature. Also, it gets the additional rear seat legroom and has a premium armrest with lots of storage. And also, it is equipped with utility grid, trail rail system, and lockable glove box. On the center console, it gets 2 cup holders, parking brakes, gear shifter knob, and high to low range gear knob for better driving on and off the road. In terms of USB port, it is located at the front console, center armrest, and also for the rear seat access. Under the cargo floor, you get the hidden storage to store your off-road equipments and gear also. Under the hood, it gets the 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine which generates 268 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated with 8-speed automatic transmission. In terms of safety, Jeep Wrangler has monocoque body layout. It has driver as well as co-driver side airbags along with front seat mounted side airbags, park sense rear park assist system with rear view mirror, hill start assist, hill descent control system, electronic stability control system, and the list goes on and on. And the braking system of this vehicle is disc brake with ABS control system. In terms of capabilities, Jeep Wrangler has also earned Trail Rated badge by conquering a series of tests like traction, water fording, maneuverability, articulation, and ground clearance over toughest terrains. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited comes with the Select Track full-time four-wheel drive system with a crawl ratio of 2.72:1, while Jeep Wrangler Rubicon comes with Rock Trail full-time four-wheel drive system with True Lock front and rear differential locks with crawl ratio of 4:1. It is also provided with underbody high-strength skid plate that protects the fuel tank, transfer case, and automatic transmission oil pan so as to avoid any kind of damage. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited as well as Rubicon is available in 5 color options from which you can choose. As Jeep Wrangler is now locally assembled in India as CKD, therefore the price have gone slightly down, that is Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is priced at Rs 53.90 lakhs while the Rubicon is priced at Rs 57.90 lakhs ex showroom.
So this was all about Jeep Wrangler. If you really find this review insightful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Explore Drive YouTube channel. And to know more about the latest updates on automobile, do follow us on Instagram. Link for it will be available in the description box. Thank you so much.